to de-annex from the city of Damascus. The city has filed suit to try to keep that from happening, and then a judge heard that case today in Salem. And among the folks who were there, Tim Becker, he joins us live. Tim, what did that judge decide?
Well, Jeff, I was in the courtroom to hear both sides argue their case, and in the end, that judge ruled against the city. So for now, anyway, some of those de-annexations will start happening tomorrow.
We, after this hearing, by law, through House Bill 4029, are done with Damascus.
Hank Brown continues fighting to leave Damascus and develop his property without the city charter. But the latest snag in the process centers around House Bill 4029, signed into law in March. The city argues it's unconstitutional for granting some residents the right to de-annex.
Without a restraining order, as of tomorrow, at least those individuals who had filed petitions for hearing last night will no longer be citizens of the city.
The bottom line is the legislature looked at what the city had done, saw how it hadn't fulfilled its obligations under the law, and passed a valid law to protect the landowners that the city wasn't protecting.
Brown's attorney and 3 other lawyers went before the judge to explain why the city's request for a temporary restraining order against de-annexation should be dropped.
This is an attempt by the city to create a problem that they want you to resolve.
Attorneys for the city argued that the de-annexing should be put on further hold until all sides have their say. But the 100 or so parties who want to leave the city of Damascus say the process has already run its course and that they don't want to wait any longer for the city to step forward with its comprehensive plan. Lack of that plan for almost 10 years is why the law was enacted in the first place.
I do not find that it is appropriate to issue a temporary restraining order here. And
for now, anyway, this judge agrees, and people like Hank Brown will be de-annexed tomorrow.
And then the next step for them is to decide what they'd like to do with their properties. Options include staying in unincorporated Clackamas County or joining the city of Happy Valley.
And back live, so for now we have 4 property owners that will leave city boundaries as of midnight. That's when that will be effective. They were the first to apply to do that. It was about 30 days ago when they put in their applications. This is far from over, though. The city of Damascus is expected to appeal the decision that was made here today. For now, reporting live in Salem, Tim Becker, KOIN 6 News.
All right.